Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is very special. That's been $1,000 per month at least from Amazon affiliate marketing using AI videos. If you don't know how to research product, that's been Amazon product, and I will show you each and every part like step-by-step tutorials. And if you love this content, please don't forget to subscribe my channel because I make videos how you can make money, how you can start freelancing journey, how you can make your life very easy using AI tools. Okay guys, so let's get started. So make $1,000 per month Amazon affiliate using AI. So Amazon affiliate marketing is the one of the greatest affiliate marketing in this digital era, because we know Amazon is a giant e-commerce website where you can find millions of product, and their affiliate program is really great. So if you love, you can create a product video, also you can create TikTok video and other videos, and you can promote. So definitely you have to know how it's work, and you have to do it very smartly. So I'm getting lots of questions on my Facebook or Instagram most of the time, that people are asking me, I don't have any video editing skills, I don't know how to create AI videos, research, optimization, etc. So it's all in all YouTube. So if you want to really make money on YouTube, so please focus on YouTube and stay on YouTube, research, watch and practice. So I'm not going to take your more time, so let's get started with our step number one. Select niche. So I believe right now you are watching my tutorials on YouTube, so maybe you are familiar with the sounds of niche. So it's very simple thing. So I think you watch different tutorials like niche selection or YouTube niche. So you start with the niche, because many YouTube gurus or e-commerce gurus, they are always recommend to find the best niche. What is niche? Very simple. It's a category or topic, and where you can find different kind of products under the category or niches. That's mean I think you got it my point. How you can select your niche? So it's a very tricky and difficult. So if I tell you you can go fitness, you can choose beauty or sports, all right. Also you can choose others, because there are lots of niches out there. Okay, just open your eyes, think, and you can. But the problem is you shouldn't follow the others choices, because my choices and your choices is totally different. So always focus on your choices. If you love to spend time on esports more often, so then might be you are likely to creating esports video or esports related work product. Maybe that's your interest. You must have to find your first interest. Okay, so I'm not forcing you to find within these three categories. You can find your own ways. All right, so I'm going to select fitness. Okay, I'm interested on fitness and I want to create, and I want to go forward with fitness. Okay, and the step number two, create a niche YouTube channel. Very simple, based on that's mean fitness. So what is niche YouTube channel? I think it's pretty clear to you, because I already told you that what is niche and the example of that. So let's see, our step number two is done. So how to create a YouTube channel? It's very simple. Just use your Gmail address, or if you don't have, just create a Gmail address, and just using your Gmail you can create a YouTube channel and just set up. That's mean upload your banner, your photos, and write down your about section. Okay, add some links. It's very important when you start making money online. So you have to focus on different social media network simultaneously, because so when you create a YouTube videos, you can share on Instagram or website or Facebook. Okay, so it will get more audience, so they're gonna help you to really fast making money. So let's go back to our step number three, Amazon product research. That's mean we have to find a fitness related product. Okay, so how we can find the best product? For product research, we have to definitely go back to Amazon, and we have to find the best product. So click on all section, and you will find maybe beauty one, personal care. Also you can find health, household and baby care. Okay, so I'm going to click on health household. Okay, a small menu bar like household suppliers, vitamins and diet supplement, and also health and wellness. So let's click on health and wellness, and let's click on fitness and activity monitor, and finally you will find the real product. So that's the way you can find your product. Okay, so if you do more research, that's mean deep research, you will find the exact product. So it's a fitness tracker. Okay, so let's find the best one. So showing results for all departments, you'll find a bestseller section. Okay, and one top rated. This is really amazing, guys. And you will find their reviews, also their sales. Like past month, it bought 70K. That's huge number of, okay, and the price is very good. Okay, so it's time to open the product. All right, so finally we have the product. It's okay. So I think our step number 3 is done. And step number 4, which is really interesting, AI video create. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can create a AI video. All right, so let's create the video. Okay, so you don't have to need high skill to create AI videos. Okay, so I'm going to use flexscript.com. It's the AI tools, and you'll find their magic tools like AI video generator, auto subtitle, AI text to speech, AI translator, and many more, and you'll find different kind of templates where you can choose the template and you can, okay, and lots of templates out there. That's mean template like you can create a real estate, food, travel, sports, fashion, marketing, and many other videos over there. Okay, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you URL to video. That's been Amazon URL to video. So let's click on AI video generator. You'll find the options AI text to video, and very close you'll find article or URL to video. So let's click on article or URL to video. All right, and there is an option where you can paste your article content or input or write it here, and scroll down, you will find from URL. So that's the main option. So we need URL. So which URL? That's mean our product URL. So let's go back to Amazon, click the product URL and copy it and just paste it here. Also you can write it something there, but you don't need to. Just scroll down if you want to add some styles. So let's click on cool text. It's a highlight or captions, and then click on generate. And this is the second step where you can find the videos. Also at the left hand side bar you will find the source articles. That's mean AI automatically they are collected this article, also the scenario over there. So if you want to change, you can change their media. That's mean the video or images. Also you can rewrite the text over there. Also you can change the voiceover. So let's click on here. You will find the languages and the voice style, etc. Okay, so it's time to click on add to timeline. Add after an existing scenes. Let's click on apply. All right guys, so finally video is ready. So this is the scenario. Like you will find the background videos, also that text, that's mean the captions, also the audio over here, and finally the music. Because when you upload this video with this music to your YouTube channel, maybe you will get copyright strike, or you have to edit this video again into the YouTube studio. All right, so I'm going to download this, and then I will talk about step number 5 and 6, how to video optimization and add product affiliate link. Okay, so let's click on here. It's a export button, and have a look on resolution, frame rate, and quality, and then let's click on export. All right, so finally video is ready. It's a 1 minute 15 seconds video, and it's already downloaded into my device. All right, so step number 5, video optimization. That's mean if you want to edit, so you can use different software like Camtasia, CapCut, or Filmora. Okay, so upload the video with a proper title, description, hashtags, and also input the product URL. That's mean the affiliate URL. So how you can find the affiliate URL? That's mean you have to create a Amazon affiliate account, and then you can find the product link. Each and every product you will find affiliate link, and just add into your video description. And when the viewers watch your videos, and then maybe someone are interested to check your description and then click your affiliate link, they're interested to buy this product, maybe they buy product, and then you will get commission. So this is how you can make money. So this is the easiest way you can make money. So I tried my best to give you the step-by-step process, and it's time to spend time and just analysis and follow the steps. So if you love this content, please don't forget to subscribe and comment below if you have any queries. I will come back with a next tutorial. So stay tuned. Have a good day. Tada, bye bye.